welcome back to my channel. Okay, so you guys have not obviously have been aware. If you're new for my channel, you guys know that my hair is not real. And I get a lot of comments about like what kind of hair systems that I use and like where I get them and like where they can purchase them. So I have the hookup for you guys. When you receive a package, it comes in from FedEx. I kind of do like it because FedEx is really, really quick shipping. With COVID and things, shipping has been terrible with a lot of my products and things like that. It came very, very quick. So thankful for that. So let's open up this package. Okay, so we're opening up my hair system. It comes in this gorgeous, like, yellow gold bag for protection of it, obviously. And then you can open it up like so. It is a very protective, you know what I'm saying, because it's very hard to open up. Very hard to protect it. What I love about this brand is their packaging is legit gorgeous. Now, I hope I'm pronouncing this name right, but it is called LaVivid. It's LaVivid. Gorgeous packaging with this golden, cursive, beautiful font. The box is so smooth. It's not heavy. It's not like thick cardboard. Like, obviously you can get a little damage and stuff from the move and stuff, but like obviously it's a nice box. It's very cheap for the company probably to have. It's just beautiful. Inside is going to be my hair system. What you do is obviously going to open up the cover. What I like about it is it's kind of like going to a shopping spree and giving you a shopping experience, the whole thing together. Like, it just gives you that vibe of like going to an expensive like Louis Vuitton store and they pack your bag or your Chanel purse in here and they wrap it in tissue paper just because it's expensive and it's really protected. So I love that. I mean, it's in a FedEx bag, you guys. It's in the gold, you know, thing like this. And then obviously in this little container. So let's open it up and see what kind of hair system I got this time. Wow. Okay, so it looks like this, you guys. It comes with a plastic rim. On here, basically what we have going on is it's going to tell you like the color that I ordered. So I ordered color number 4. You guys can look really closely. I'll show you it better in a picture. So right now you're looking at is number 4 is the color, and then I have it by 8 by 10. A lot of hair systems definitely do come 8 by 10s. It's like a guaranteed size, and it's just like they all come like that. That I cut my own bases myself, and I definitely, if you guys want to have a video of that, I can definitely show you guys how to cut the base. It's very simple. It is challenging a little bit in the beginning, but you can do it. It's all about what a base means for you guys, so you guys can understand like the lingo when it comes to a hair system. A size is like 8 by 10, how it goes, like 8 this way, 10 this way. So, well, it goes off of where you're bald. I'm bald all the way back here. Like this, if you lift up, this is my fake hair. This is all my real hair, this is bald. So it goes off by your baldness, or whatever the case may be. So the bald shape of your head. That's what I love this cone for, because I use this cone to measure my baldness. But yeah, so let's open it up and see, guys. So it comes with this like little hair net to protect it. Again, another protection. So it has a little hair piece. And then it comes in with little curl hairs. What it does is it has a little tape on it. You can see it and feel it. Like, not a little tape, but like it sticks to it. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Absolutely. The skin is so legit, real thick. What I love about this kind of material is because of, what's the word for it? Basically that it's like a skin. For an example, if I put this on my head, like right here, you guys can't even tell that it is on. This will be cut off. The plastic will be cut off. It looks like it's coming right out of your head just like this one, you know? But yeah, so, and what's really crazy about hair systems, y'all, is they do come like this. They come in curls. And then obviously I will definitely see the more that you play with it, the more the curls fall out. And then it becomes straight like this, and you can do whatever you want. Why it's so long and like why they have the hair so long, it's because they make it so you can customize it your absolute self. You can get whatever haircut you want. The problem that I have with hair systems is a hairdresser, aka like going to like Great Clips or going to a normal hair salon that cuts normal people's hair, rejects you for a hair system, because if they ruin your hair system, it's on their company, it's on their license, then we could sue them but for ruining our stuff in your hair. But obviously I would never do that, but still, like, it's basically what it is. So it is, I believe, $299 that you guys can purchase it. I'll definitely leave the link in the bio for you guys to check them all out. Right now, you guys are looking at a whole variety of all the hair systems that you can order, from color to cut. They do custom cuts. It does take 3 to 4 months, though. It does take a long time to get it custom, so I like to do it myself because then I can put it on my head a lot quicker. I've never done a custom hair yet, but I was thinking about it one time, but we'll see about how I feel. My hair systems can last about 6 months to a year. It all depends on the vibe of how you take care of it. Brushing your hair constantly is going to break the bristles of the hair and kind of make it shed a lot quicker. But again, like I said, they can last up to a year if you really, really do take care of it. I know for a fact the hair systems do last longer if you're gonna wear them straight down a little bit, not up like I do, like a styling model, honey. Like, hi, how are you? You better come through. I'm gonna give you guys just a little bit of tea on what I do to kind of like get situated for a new hair system. Is I buy the hair, obviously. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna soak this in water, really luke cold water. I call it luke cold water. Warm heat, hot heat, fries it, guys. It's not like a fry, it's just, it dries it out. You want it to be like just really, you know, and it smells so good. It's just gorgeous, right? Okay, so that is my hair system. And I wanted to show you guys a little bit of things of what I buy when I buy a hair system. For me to let you guys know my little secrets that I do to order my stuff that you need to set up your hair system for. This can go for African-American people. This can go for anybody that's dealing with hair loss, you that have cancer, that want to wear wigs or a system or any hair system, or anyone that's old that has lost their hair, or young like me when I lost my hair at 20. These are some tricks that I do and what I purchase online. So here it is, you guys. The first things first is my hair system adhesive glue. This is a Walker's Tape Ultra Hold hair system adhesive. I do the maximum wear of 3, which means it can last up to a long time. What you gotta do is you gotta hold firmly for 10 seconds. Do not swim, work out, or shampoo for the least 24 hours because it kind of sticks. So what this does is it kind of turns into a tape. It's liquid, but it turns eventually to a tape. Very sticky, very nice. Absolutely love and adore it, okay? So that is what that is. There's also another thing that I want to also talk about, guys. Ghost Bond. Ghost Bond is very pricey, but it is about $24 and something. It is really, really reasonable in price, but it is expensive. On top of a $300 hair system plus tax and shipping. And then obviously, you know, you gotta get your glue and stuff like that. The next thing I like to order is a thing called Ultra Hold. This is Walker's Ultra Hold mini tapes. They're double-sided tape for 72 tablets. And I bought a 2-pack. It's very cheap. These are my #1 freaking tapes, and I will let you know the reason why. In this, you guys, is up to a 4-week hold on the hair system. When I put on my hair system and stuff, you guys, we're going to do a step-by-step videos. Let me know in the comment section what kind of videos you guys want from me with the hair and everything like that. I'm going to break it down into one entire video. I kind of want to break this down into like a chapter book and really go through the process and let you guys know like how I really do this step by step by step by step. It's all about purchasing things online first. Then I'm going to set up an appointment to get my hair cut. First of all, I got to shape it, things like that. So we'll do definitely a big chapter book with my hair system. So make sure you guys follow me on that. All right, this is the Ultra Hold Minis double-sided tape tabs. They're so gorgeous. I absolutely love them. What you do is you'll peel off the white liner and tape together. Off of the blue liner, place this tab where it is leaded on the hair system. What I love about these is they're already shaped for the hair system. Look like that, you guys, obviously. The next one is a 2-pay coupon code for, okay, that's stupid. I ordered the Strip Hair Products tape. Now, it doesn't really have a name, but they come like this. These are probably my #1 favorite tabs. They're so small and so easy to put around the rim completely. You don't need these, you guys. This is just for me to have my hair held for about 6 weeks to longer. What that means in a vocabulary and the way that I'm describing this is you can lift up your hair system to clean. Adhesive can break down and turn into a stickiness and a really, really like breakable wet, mushy, gooey thing that lead into your hair and really get sticky, and it's really gross to get out and really hard to get out actually. So removing your hair glue at like 6 weeks to 4 weeks and just refreshing it, taking some alcohol, rubbing your hair, giving your scalp some breathing, and also wiping the tip count, and then redoing the glue another 5 to 4 weeks. You have it stuck to your head again. It's not taking the entire thing off. I'm just saying in Gen. So that is it that I have for this video today, you guys. But I do have a discount code for you guys to check out. If you guys go to the link I have down here in the description, you guys can definitely go to the website. And if you use the code Bryan15, you guys can get a 15% off discount on your own first hair system. Leave in the comment section you guys do order some hair. And I hope you guys really, really do love this video that I am now opening up to you guys about what I use for my hair systems and what I use and what company I use and things like that. I absolutely love their hair. The compliments I get on a daily basis, it's unbelievable. The quality, everything from the packaging to the hair quality to everything that you guys need is for this company. So that's it for the video, you guys. Have a wonderful Happy New Year, and I cannot wait for you guys to see my hair journey and everything I do to get what I get to look at like this and get my confidence back, because let me tell you, when I was bald, my confidence has been so low and so depressing. But when you get hair and you feel great about yourself and love yourself, your confidence and money doesn't, there's a quote out there that says money doesn't buy you happiness, but I'm going to tell you, honey, money did buy me happiness. And that is LaVivid. Check out that website and order your freaking hair system that you will not regret, because with hair, you'll have confidence. Love you guys. And obviously, if you're bald and you look great and you feel great and you're confident with it, period, more power to you guys. But with me, I love hair and I love modeling and things like that. So I kind of love it and I just think it's cute. All right, guys, like I always say in all my videos, and until next time, do not let me breathe you all away. All right, bye, guys.